everyone. Today we will give a demo for when a file request is received, how to accept it, and how to share. We will receive an email notification from the platform with product name and article number mentioned. If you already have a product IP account, you can click on the first link. If you have not used product IP before, you can then click on the second link to complete registration. Enter your username and password. Click on Login. Click on Requests. Go to the File Requests tab. You can use Find to search for your article number. You can also sort the other information here. For example, request date. There are two types of file requests. The first is prepaid. You can see that there is a prepaid icon here. It indicates that when a customer sends you a file request, it has already been paid in advance. You do not have to pay for this file. The other is the standard type. There is no prepaid icon. When you receive such a file request, you would need to check your credit balance. When the credit is 0, that means you need to buy credits. You can click here to buy credits online. When payment is completed, you can send us a payment slip. Once we confirm payment receipt, then credits can be added to your account. You can go ahead and create the technical file. When you receive multiple file requests and find that they may be merged into one technical file, you can check with the customer. After the customer confirms, you can create just one file. Adding several articles and documents to one technical file. Then share it with the customer. Once we have found our article in the file requests, at the end here we can click on the green button to accept it. Click on Yes. After having accepted the file request, here it will show two buttons: Create and Share. If no previous technical file has been created for this article, just click on Create. Go ahead and finish creating the technical file. For detailed steps, please watch our video on how to create a technical file. When you have completed a technical file, or if a technical file has been created in the past, you will need to check whether your documents are linked to the requirements. For previously set provisional product category, please be sure to wait until an expert recommends a category. Link all documents to requirements, and then Share File. We can click on Share. Then from this list of technical files, select the files you need to share. Click on Continue. If there is any discrepancy between the technical file you selected and information in the file request, an alert in red from the platform will appear. We need to double-check carefully, making sure that we are not sharing the wrong file. Then click on Continue anyway. If there is a need to communicate with the customer, we can write a message in the comments box. If there are documents which do not need to be shared with the customer, you can click on Exclude Documents to exclude them. You can also add extra documents. When everything is done, we click on Next. Fill in the article number, then click on Next. Save and share when you're done. This way, you've shared the file. After this is completed, the record of this file request will disappear from your File Requests tab. Thank you for your attention.